Watch this! We are making the crispiest, yummiest chicken ever! First, we need to dry our chicken. Add some soy sauce and our special spice mix. Now we mix it all up and let it marinate. First, we need to dry our chicken. Our crispy coating mix. Just add pepper and some salt. We need to dry our chicken. Our crispy coating mix. Our egg wash is ready. Flour, then egg, and flour again. This is my trick for extreme crunch. Now we fry until perfectly golden. Listen to that sizzle! Listen to that sizzle! Mix mayonnaise and sriracha for our secret sauce. Toss those crispy bites to coat them perfectly. Garnish with fresh green onions. It's time to serve! Wow, that is so crispy and yummy!